explain something. So the wolf whistle, you know, we all us bird owners know it. That was a bad version, but Bunky has a tendency to do the wolf whistle at one time and one time only. It's when my girlfriend walks in, okay? When she walks in, no matter what, he goes crazy with the wolf whistle. It's the only time he does it. It's almost like he understands the context of it. I don't know how, but somehow he understands the context of it. So she hasn't been over for a bit because we've had our issues for the past couple months. And now that she's back, I keep finding him practicing the wolf whistle, and I think it's just so sweet. So that's what you're going to see in this video. So.
Woo woo! Yeah. You practicing wolf whistle for Mama? Yeah, you practicing wolf whistle for Mama? You sweetheart. Yeah. Yeah, he's a good boy.
Daddy, I'm always a good boy. You know this.
Bunky. Yeah. Hi, honey.
Aw, I love you, Pops. I'm glad you and Mom are okay.
How you
These
doing?
are my celebratory wolf whistles.
Woo woo. Yeah.
And with that,
You're
I
so
wish you all a
handsome.
good day filled with love.
You probably knock them all dead at the club. You knock them all dead
Take
at the
care,
club?
everyone.